You may find yourself thinking,
if succulents are so easy, then why can't I keep mine alive?
it is true that succulents can be very easy. They just have a couple of unique requirements. First and foremost, all cacti are succulents, but not all succulents are cacti. Succulents, especially cacti, are uncompromising when it comes to their light requirements. Most succulents require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. That means they want to be 1 or 2 feet from an unobstructed southern window, western window, or grown outdoors. Like everything in nature, there are exceptions to the rule. Haworthia vary in appearance, but all want bright light instead of direct sun. It is very important to identify the type of succulent you have for this very reason. You might not think of aloe as a succulent, but it most definitely is. Aloe plants love sun as much as the next succulent and would be very happy with 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. However, they will tolerate some light shade or filtered sun. If you don't have the perfect south or west facing window, all is not lost. We carry special grow light bulbs that will help your sun-seeking succulent thrive in an otherwise dead zone. We'll be covering more facets of succulent care in future videos, so be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow along.